Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and I'm going to show you how to knit this swatch here. It's so pretty, really is. I love it. And the best way to start off this swatch is to knit some garter rows. I've done 3 on this one. I don't know how ribbing would work because it goes up and down. Let's see, that's the back. Nothing much to it really. The opposite of the front. Actually, no, it's not. Front's a lot nicer. So right, let's get started. Right, it is a 13 stitch repeat plus 2 stitches plus 2 edge stitches. And you do your 3 rows garter stitch, well that's suggested, and then it's a 6 row repeat after that. So you don't repeat the 3 rows garter stitch, you just repeat the rest of the 6 rows that I'm going to show you. I've already done the 3 rows garter stitch. Didn't want to waste your time watching me knit plain knitting. And on here I've got 30 stitches, which is 2 lots of 13 plus the extra 2 plus the 2 edge stitches. So the repeat next I'm going to show you is the 6 rows that you repeat over and over again. Okay, so the first row is knit through the back of your edge stitch. That's your edge stitch. Oh, never even got that to the far, did I? Edge stitch. And then you knit 2. So the repeat then is yarn over needle, knit 4. 1, 2, never knitted that properly, 3, 4. Then you're going to slip the next 2 stitches, but you're going to slip them knitwise like this. Okay, and then you're going to knit the next one, and then you're going to take this 2 over the top of the one you've just knitted. Okay, so after that is knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, knit 2. Right, I'll go over that. Edge stitch, knit 2. Then your repeat is yarn over needle, knit 4, 2, 4. Then you slip 2 knitwise, knit 1, and then you take the 2 and you put over the top of the one you've knitted. Knit 4, yarn over needle, knit 2. Right, we'll do that again. Yarn over needle, knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then you're going to slip these 2 off knitwise, and then you're going to knit this stitch, and then you're going to take these 2, pass them over the top of that stitch, and that will make, and that makes the nice center stitch going up there. Then it's knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over needle, knit 2 to your last stitch, yarn forward, slip your last stitch. Okay, now then, that's that one. That's row 4 if you're counting in the first 3 garter rows. So the next row is knit into the back of your first stitch, and then it's just purl every stitch all the way to your last stitch, which you will then slip. Nearly at the end here, and the last stitch you just slip. Okay, There we go. So that was row 5. Now row 6 is knit into the back of your first stitch, knit 2, and the repeat is yarn over, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip the 2 stitches off knitwise, knit 1, pass the 2 stitches over the knit stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, knit 2 stitches, yarn over needle. So it was your edge stitch, knit 2, and then your repeat is yarn over needle, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 2 stitches knitwise, knit 1, pass the 2 stitches over the knitted stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over needle, knit 2. Right, I will do that again. So you start off with, look, I'm not, there we go, got rid of that. Yarn over needle, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip the 2 stitches knitwise, knit 1 stitch, pass the 2 stitches over the top of the 1 stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over needle, knit 2, last stitch, yarn at the front, slip 1. There we go. So that was row 6. And row 7 is knit into the front of your first stitch and then purl to the last stitch. Okay, at the last stitch, and you slip the last stitch. Okay, so row 8 is knit into the back of your first stitch, knit 2, and then you start your repeat, yarn over needle, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 2 knitwise, knit 1, pass the 2 slip stitches over, you can see how that's looking there, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over needle, knit 2, same as the last 2 rows, edge stitch, knit 2, yarn over needle, knit 4, and then it was slip 2 knitwise, knit 1, pass the slip stitches over the knitted one, knit 4, yarn over needle, knit 2. Right, we'll do that once more. Yarn over needle, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 2 knitwise, knit 1, pass the slip stitches over, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over needle, knit 2, 1, 2, that's the last stitch, yarn at the front, slip 1. Right, now row 9 is different. Row 9 is knit into the back of your first stitch, purl 2, and your repeat is knit 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, purl 2, 1, 2. Right, show you that. Edge stitch, purl 2, knit 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, purl 2. Right, we'll do that again. So knit 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, purl 2, slip your edge stitch. I can never get edge and stitch to sound correct. So that is all your rows done now. You can see how it's forming, going up and down, a zigzag up and down, wavy lines, and how the center stitches are looking. And that's it. So it's knit your 3 rows garter stitch, and then you've got your 6 rows repeat, and you just keep repeating them. Let's bring a bigger one back in. Oh, take that out from under there, and you can see it when it's done like that. That's fully done. I think that's really nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, like it, share it, subscribe so you can watch more of our videos, and happy knitting. See you in the next video, hopefully.